If you're missing out these moves for your body, that might be why you're not feeling better. Despite how much you exercise, it might be because you're making these key mistakes. Because you see, our bodies are designed to move. And I mean significantly more than just getting your 10k steps in. Walking is great, but your body needs to do so much more than just... Movement doesn't need to be complicated. You don't need to do crazy advanced moves to actually get your body flowing properly. It's just about doing the right moves. And in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly the things that are probably missing from your routine. Moving with the breath. Now, that doesn't just mean kind of going... It means moving intentionally. The reason that is so important is because moving with the breath helps to reset the nervous system. And as we know, we all love a bit of nervous system chat. There's a reason that one of the first things they teach if you're having anxiety is breath work. And it's because breathing genuinely calms the body down. Bring down those stress levels so that you can come out of that fight or flight response. So this is one of my favourite exercises of all time that I teach all the time. So it's called side lying open door. So coming down onto the mat, and I'm going to lie on my side. And the most important thing with this one is moving with the breath. So I'm exhaling as I open out. If there's not a fireplace in your way, you can actually open that arm out fully. Don't worry, it's not a real fire, it's water vapour. And then I'm breathing in as I bring it back. Not only are you opening up through the chest, through the shoulders, and getting lots of nice movement through the upper back, you're also teaching the body just to move with it. So it's a really nice, just relaxing move. And it's great if you spend a lot of time sitting at a desk or a computer. It just helps to kind of open everything back out. And the second thing that moving with the breath also does, particularly in Pilates, is it helps to get the core working at the right points of the movement. So if I come down onto my back, and if I breathe out as I extend that leg away, my core is naturally going to engage just because of the breath, and then I breathe in to bring it back. It makes the core work at the hardest part of the movement so that you're actually getting that core to fire at the optimum position, like when you actually want it to. This is one of the first things that I teach. The first phase is that nervous system reset to get your body back in sync with itself. And obviously it's calming the nervous system down, which we all would love to do more of. And the second type of movement that your body really needs is the kind of obvious one, the first one that everyone thinks of, which is strength and stability. So if I was to come up into a side plank, these muscles here are working, arm muscles are working, my shoulder muscles are working. I'm having to work quite hard to keep myself upright. And it's not even about the strength of like your own body weight, it's also about being able to hold it, not coming back up and down, that's good, but physically holding that position, keeping it strong and trying to stay as still as possible helps all of these stabilising muscles around the shoulder. And I'm quite impressed that I'm managing to talk as much as I am while doing this because it's bringing it down. And the more that we can build those stabilising muscles, just helps you with everyday movement. The stronger and more stable the body feels, the less pain you're going to have. And this takes me into the next one. Trying to get everything to work together again. Because often our bodies learn to compensate, and there's certain muscles which might be stronger, having weaknesses or compensation happening elsewhere, so it means they're not really working optimally. That can lead to pain and dysfunction around the body, so we really wanted to try and undo that. And this is my absolute favourite exercise for this. When I teach it to my clients, it's amazing to watch because their form is a beautiful one. So this is called the dart. I'll take my jumper off for this one to show you. You come down onto your front, hands behind us, and we're lifting up, squeeze and everything. Now what is beautiful about this exercise is it is literally working all the muscles through your back, your shoulder blades, lower back, your glutes, hamstrings. It's teaching them to coordinate together, so it's good for your posture as well. And that takes me on to my next one, which is spinal mobility. Obviously, mobility of the entire body is important, but for this particular video, I'm going to talk about spinal mobility and spinal flexibility. Because often we think, oh, my hips are really tight, I need to work on the mobility around there. But your back is literally the centre of your body. If things around your back are tight, that is going to have a knock-on effect on everything. Shoulders, hips, hamstrings, glutes, core. Even your breathing is affected when your back is tight. And that is why I spend a lot of time in my programme thinking about the spinal mobility and to get the back moving the way that it was designed to. And this is one of my favourite ones for this. So I'm going to start off in child's pose and I'm going to roll up through the spine. So I'm literally sliding my hands along the floor, thinking about moving one vertebrae at a time as I roll up. And then the opposite way, so I slide my hands down as I round forward, moving each vertebrae in my spine and giving my lower back a stretch, upper back, your lats, and then you're rolling back up. So it's not just a passive stretch, you're also moving through the whole spine. And this is where mobility is actually almost more important than stretching, because this is giving you a stretch while also moving. So it actually teaches your body to let go, to relax, and to trust movement again. And also, when it comes to stretching, there are a few things that actually might be making you feel worse, and you might be making these common mistakes. In this next video, talk about stretching and why it might actually be making you feel more tense instead of less tense. Give this video a watch and I will see you over there.